been working with quadrant beading, which, if you look at the end profile, looks like this. It's good for, well, framing window frames, like I've been doing. But what I've needed to do is an internal 45-degree cut, which looks like this. Goes together like that on the inside of the frame. But it's possible, as I discovered, to massive hassle and expense, to also do an outer 45-degree cut, which goes together like this, which is good for picture frames or around things if you're doing beading along a wooden floor. So it was confusing the hell out of me when I first started doing it. Just couldn't figure out where I went wrong, and I made quite a pile of offcuts in the process. But I've discovered the secret. So if we go to the miter saw, basically we've got 180 degrees of angle and adjustment. We've got a backstop and we've got the blade. So to get our 45-degree cut, it looks kind of like this. That bit doesn't exist, but see, we've got the angle of the blade, we've got the backstop. If you put the wood in here, and things make sense. What I discovered is when you make the cut, this side of the cut is an internal corner. This side of the cut is an external. Me being absolutely simple, I looked at this diagram I've just done and thought, how can I remember this easily? It's Pac-Man. If you want an inside 45-degree corner, it goes inside Pac-Man's mouth. So inside 45, inside Pac-Man's mouth. If you need the corner pointing the other way, then you swing the miter saw round, like so, and you still go into Pac-Man's mouth, inside corners. And well, for your outside corners, for picture frames and the like, well, you figure it out, the metaphor. It's the other side of the blade. The other side of the blade cuts outside, but inside corners, inside Pac-Man's mouth. Simple.